And we're back here in the house, and yeah, we'll continue. It is actually windy and cold outside, but yeah, wearing this long sleeve, it's hot inside the car because there is no wind going inside. And this is the tools that I bought, yeah, to make a hole here. I don't have clamp, so I think this GoPro clamp will help. This is dangerous actually. You know, it's broken. I lost this. So basically what I'm going to do is to make a hole using this, but it is dangerous to hold it while doing this. I'm not going to use this anymore. More dangerous. So I'm just going to stick this one here using this glue. This screw that I bought is too short. If I put it here like this, it will only reach that way. If I put it on the bottom like that, very small, will reach the other side. And that is what happened to this. Yeah, I am going back to Bunnings. And look, there is one beautiful car. Nice. Okay, so this is what I'm going to take. This 60mm 10G. What is 10G? 10 grams? Yeah. Oh, yeah, 50 pieces. And also this butt hinge. Yeah, 4 pieces. Comes with this screw. And this is actually $6.26 each. So I think it's enough, because I'm making a foldable or extendable bed. Oh, look at this. They have this complete kit. Yeah, and this is wireless. Especially this one. I am interested to this circular saw. Yeah, because when I am cutting, I need to go back inside the house, and they have a very short cable. And I like it because this one is cordless, but it's $269. My bun is looks beautiful. I actually went back again and I bought these clamps, 2 pieces. One is $5, so $10. Okay, we are home, and yeah, I will be able to use it now because I have this clamp. And at the moment, this is actually already attached to it and strong now, but I'm still going to put a screw. Or maybe I just screw it on the top. But if I screw here, maybe it is going to crack. This clamp is very useful. Very nice. And this is now my bed. I just need to do is the platform. And this is what I finished today. So it will be there. Good morning, guys. It is now 8 minutes before 8 o'clock. Yeah, I still have this mess. Yeah, most of these are coming from the Suzuki Jimny. And the same like every day these days, I will be working in the barn. Yeah, at least until 12 o'clock, because my duty today is 2 p.m. I just had my coffee and the pandesal. Yeah, this is the pandesal that is coming from Roy and Cassie. That maybe like 2 months or 1 month ago. Yeah, it was in the freezer. Okay, let's go outside. Yeah, there was a rain a while ago. So this is what I finished yesterday. Let's put this up here. That's the bed. And we are in one of the house here. Yeah, I basically bought that. Yeah, that side table. Okay, we go. And we are home. And I am now figuring out how I'm going to put this one in here. So it means that I need to cut on that side. I already took a shower. I will continue my work tomorrow. Yeah, because outside is not good. It's raining a little bit. I'm going to have my lunch now. It's going to be this one. This bulgogi. And I'm going to fry an egg. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now already 9:10. And today I'm not going to work on my van because I'm going to meet some people. I mean, I met them before. Yeah, Dale and Carlota. And they are staying in Shoal Bay. They are coming from Sydney. And I'm also going to pick up Inigo from his apartment. And yeah, he's going to be joining. And yesterday, the company, they gave us this Christmas gift. Yeah, so this is Scarborough Wine Company Chardonnay 2020. Every year, they are giving us this kind of wine. Last year, the one for me is I gave it to Adam. Adam is a kitchen hand. He didn't get one last year because he was new. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supposed to be 6 already. And this one is coming from the wedding of John. I sometimes thinking of drinking that, but I don't know. I don't like. And it comes with the chocolate. I already ate some of this yesterday. And actually not just chocolate. They also give me this prepaid Post gift card. And it worth $200. It is now 9:38, so we still have time. And I'm going inside to buy something for dessert. It is maybe an ice cream. Yeah, I think ice cream is good because Dale and Carlota, they prepare some food. Actually, I'm going to get one of these. This $2. There's just 3 inside. I want the 4 one. And I'm eating this. This is spicy. And we are now here in the Shoal Bay Beach Park.
Walang daan sa kabila.
I know.
Hindi.
Sige. Pandesal kayo yung sa ano?
Your favorite.
Oh.
Ano pong work yun doon?
Ano kami?
Matagal na po kayo.
Architect.
Matagal na kayo doon.
Hindi mo alam kung ano to.
2020. Ayun, Kuya Robby, Merry Christmas. Salamat. Pasensya ka na. Favorite mo talaga yan eh, kaya naalala ka namin.
Favorite mo ba yan?
Oo.
Ano favorite mo yan kay Robby?
Laki. Laki ng parang 3-4 na portion.
Oo. Nakita lang sa Costco. Sabi ko, uy,
Oo.
sakto kay Kuya.
It is now 12:50 and 10 minutes to start my duty. Yeah. Yeah, we had a very long chatting, especially Inigo. He is the one who is chatting because he's the one who is very sociable. Good morning, guys. It is now 9:10. I just came from Bunnings warehouse. I bought a extension cable. Yeah, initially I thought of buying a wireless jigsaw. Yeah, that's what initially I thought, but yeah, because with this cable jigsaw, I can only cut it here, and I feel that it is very uncomfortable. Yeah, with it's very short cable. Yeah, Carlota and Dale, they just left. They basically dropped by to give me these eggs and bread. Yeah, these are coming from Costco, they said. It is just on time that they gave me these because I have just 2 pieces of egg Yeah, thank you very much, Dale and Carlota. Now I'm making this, and it's going to be a base here. Oh, very nice. It is fit. So this one is not getting inside. Okay, that's it this time. I will continue it tomorrow. Yeah, it is now 12, almost 12:30. Going to eat this one. This is the one that I cooked last night. Also going to fry an egg. Already took a shower. It is now 1:32. I'm going to work now and I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 7:30. I don't know where is my cup, the outdoor one. Maybe I checked already in the car this morning, but it's not there. Or maybe it's on the outside. And actually I don't know if I'm going to do my bun today or yeah, because yesterday there is one family that just arrived yesterday and they said they want to meet me yesterday, but oh sorry, I said, because I was busy doing the bun. And I replied to them, if you want I can meet you tomorrow anytime before 1 o'clock. Yeah, and so yeah, it's up to them. If they want to meet me, I will come to them. But yeah, I don't set my time. Usually I let them have the free time to choose. And I'm doing my laundry at the moment because I don't have uniform for my work later at 2 o'clock. I'm just waiting for that to finish in 30 minutes. And then I'm going to eat now. And then after 30 minutes, I'm going to go to Bunnings to buy more stuff. Look at this. There is one flower that is, yeah. And I'm going to put some water. Okay, we are now going to Bunnings. It is very windy this time. And yeah, we are here in Bunnings. And this is what I'm going to buy today. This is a bracket. Yeah, 2 pieces of bracket. And the coach screw. Yeah, that one. I have this already in the house. Yeah, but I'm going to get one of these different color. And this is going to be the extension.